guys, my name is Kylie. Welcome back if you've been here before. Welcome if you're new with us. Today, we have a big old box to unbox. This is all from Torrid. So this is all clothing. And I got one pair of shoes. They are having their clearance event right now. So literally everything was on sale. I'm honestly so excited. I thought this box was going to take a lot longer to get here than it did. And it didn't, which is so exciting. I don't honestly remember the last time I got new clothes. Probably when I showed you guys. There is a lot of stuff in here. So these guys are bombshell flare jeans. The same jeans in a lighter wash. I'm gonna try all these on. Please don't think I'm just gonna open the box and be like, oh, this is cute. This is a bodycon dress. I'm so excited. These are work pants, so I know these ones fit. So I'm not gonna try those on because I wear them every day. I got a pink dress. I got mid-rise pants. More jeans. This is like a cute tank shirt. I am gonna open these. Please don't think I'm just gonna... This is what I've been most excited for. I'm not even gonna lie. These are tall shaft heeled western black boots. Oh yes. Ah, shut up. These boots were originally, I think, $90, and I got them for $60. These are gorgeous. They're not like, if you don't know, I do own a pair of cowboy boots. Those guys were like $200. So like, they're definitely like better quality than these. But these for $60 are not bad qualities, and they're zippered. So that is so fun. I think I'm just gonna have to put all this stuff on. I was not expecting me to take it out of the box so quick, but I think I got a little too excited. So, let's do a little fashion haul. This shirt is their, like, lettuce. It's called Super Soft Rib Lettuce Edge Set. And it's got, like, the little lettuce edging on this and, like, the shawl part. And the shawl is like attached on the inside. These are my pants, so they're not theirs yet. But I really like this. It's super soft, super cute, and I can wear it to work. So these jeans that I just put on are these are Luxe Slim Loop Rainstorm 22s regular. I really like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like the boot cut almost. I really like the one they hold in my thighs. They kind of make me look a little thick. I do like this. I'm starting to wish that I did order my pants in 20s. But it's fine. They're fine. I really like these. Okay, it is a good one. And this one I love. Woo! So this is their midi Swiss linen super lice dress in honeysuckle. And I love this. And I think I paid like $15 for this. So it's okay that it's not like the most flattering dress I own. But my first thought is instantly like, what a good work dress. I love this. And I think the color is really good. And I think it looks really good on my skin tone. So, love this one. These pieces I really like, just not really together. I like this shirt. This is their Swiss dot crinkle glaze tiered pin tuck tank. And it's the same color that dress, and it's like one of those tank tops that just kind of remind me of when I was a little kid. But then I have these high-waisted flare jeans on. And oh my god, do I love these jeans. I am going to put on my own shirt with the lighter pair of the exact same fit. And I'm going to put on my boots for y'all. And then we only have a couple more outfits. But these two pieces I do like, just not together. So these are those exact same jeans, just in a lighter wash. I was going to wear the boots with them. However, wide width for Torrid, like on the calf, is just a little too big for my feet. So what it does, it just creates a little bit of gapping, and it just made like the flare of the pants look absolutely ginormous. So I just didn't like them, but I'm gonna do the boots with my next piece, which is a slim bodycon dress, and it's really cool. So, but these pants, love. Come on, guys. I look great. So this is that bodycon dress. I don't wear bodycon dresses that often. They give me too much anxiety. These are the boots. I do really like them, but again, there's that gapping, so I could probably stick my whole hand in the leg because there's so much gapping to it, and I don't mind the way that looks, but the material the boot is, it doesn't like stand straight, so I think it makes it look a little bit cheap, but I don't know. I am going to keep them because I really like the heel on them and they look gorgeous. Love this dress. Really cute. Casual. Yeah. I hope you guys like this. I am going to change and then we'll do our outro. Hey guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I know I don't do fashion stuff too often, but I do really enjoy it. I do love the fashion industry and fashion hauls and going through my closet, stuff like that. I would love to do stuff like that more with you. I would love to go shopping with you guys. If that's something you'd like to see, hit the like button, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Bye!